Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zach. In this video, we're looking at a non-profit raising $1 billion USD to create a Bitcoin reserve support for Terra's ecosystem growth. The funds will be used to establish a Bitcoin reserve for Terra's UST stablecoin. Let's go through what's happening here. Big money being thrown all around. Let's go through it. This is one of the largest capital raises to date in the crypto industry. Next at NYDIG's $1 billion USD funding round in December 2021. It's $1 billion USD to absorb liquidity crunches, said the president of Jump Crypto. We're going to go through that thread very soon. A non-profit working to scale the ecosystem of the Terra blockchain has raised $1 billion USD in a private token sale. With the funding, the Loon Foundation Guard plans to establish a Bitcoin reserve to Terra's UST stablecoin. The UST Forex Reserve is an initiative to provide a further layer of support using assets that are considered less correlated to the Terra ecosystem, initially with Bitcoin, but with plans to expand to other major non-correlated assets within the market moving forward. Jump Crypto and 3 Hours Capital led the token sale with participation from Defiant Capital, GSR, Republic Capital, Tribe Capital, and others. I'm surprised not to see Sequoia in there. The raise is one of the largest to date in crypto, next to NYDIG's $1 billion USD, which raised its valuation above $7 billion USD in December. Terra, a fast-growing blockchain, now supports more than 70 projects as an algorithmic stablecoin. UST is pegged to a series of financial projects within the Terra protocol, which leads to move above or below $1. Luna, Terra's reserve, staking and governance asset, retains an elastic supply to help neutralize market pressures. So it's essentially $1 billion USD to absorb liquidity crunches or contractions in the economy have caused reflexive movement by design, allowing for a big chunk of withdrawals in a short span through different means can be really impactful. The token sale will capitalize initially on its UST Forex Reserve with investor purchases locked up for a 4-year vesting period. And then let's have a look at what's actually been tweeted, specifically here from Kanav. $1 billion USD or contractions in the economy have caused reflexive by design, etc. Energy has a broad mandate and we're excited to support it. Looking at Jump Crypto's thread, 1 out of 5. We're happy to announce that we are leading the Luna Foundation Guard $1 billion token sale that establishes a UST Forex Reserve denominated in Bitcoin. The UST Forex Reserve, automated market reserve, backstops the UST peg in times of severe volatility. The AMR will be capitalized in Bitcoin with plans to expand to other non-correlated assets. In the future, this will allow users to redeem UST against the AMR assets to help maintain the peg and close arbitrage opportunities. As the CEO has mentioned, the UST Forex Reserve will strengthen confidence in the peg, giving users confidence by following central banks that hold a variety of foreign currencies to protect against severe market risks. The UST Forex Reserve released pressure that comes from redemptions of UST for Luna when demand shrinks during severe economic conditions. The AMR uses its reserves to absorb the demand and arbitrage that exists when UST is trading below its peg. The $1 billion token sale will allow the LFG to capitalize its UST Forex reserves, with buyers locking up the Luna purchase over a 4-year vesting period. That being said, what are your thoughts on this? Would love to hear your take. If you are invested in Terra Luna, obviously it's always interesting to see stuff like this happen. But of course, it's always very exciting as well to see how much money it's just constantly. I'm just seeing billion, 500,000, 100 million, 300 million, etc., etc. It's just crazy to me. But of course, it's all being built to support a really, hopefully, strong foundation. That being said, of course, this is the channel, covering everything happening from crypto, NFT, and metaverse news. Subscribe for anything on that list that you're interested in. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next Web3 video.